Hello, welcome to Grimes on Bikes, yet another ride with the homies. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We're popping down to Cheddar Gorge. We're about 2 hours away now. I didn't record anything prior to it. Sun is blazing. It is absolutely stunning out today. It is going to be 15 degrees. And yeah, we thought we'll do Cheddar Gorge today, something a little bit different, a nice little run. What is this village? Is it Shad or something?
This is Shad, I think, yeah.
Shad. Slap.
That slab.
That looks like a cemetery or something on the right. Got loads of graves.
I can imagine your handbrake failing on there, right?
It's the views down there. Yeah, there's a lake, yeah.
Look at the walk that geezer's got to his house.
Oh,
That's not a stair lift.
Yeah.
There is as well. There is a standard stair lift as well.
I need a defib halfway up.
What's going on here?
I thought you were joking about that until I actually said from
Yeah.
I bet it's another if you forget your car keys.
Yeah, oh yeah. Look out for a cemetery as well. You could be buried 6 stories above your neighbour.
6 feet above, not under.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh wow, fuck, you look at the views they've got from their houses here.
Alright, well, that lot.
Gorgeous.
Bloody hell. Oh, there is a stream there. Fucking look at this place.
Size of this cunt on the right. Big house.
Oh yeah. Ooh. That looks like a listed building, that
The
does.
horse box is pulled in.
So, hello, welcome back on the road. So we're just about 51 minutes away from Cheddar Gorge itself. We're going to do a little stop. But we've had roads like this for the past hour. Been absolutely lovely. Quite heavy in traffic today, if I say so. I think one of the first really weekends with dry weather. And loads of cars, loads of trucks everywhere, so yeah, it's not too bad, But yeah, it won't be long before we get to Cheddar Gorge, and I'll bring you guys in. We'll have a little look around there. What we're gonna have when we get to Cheddar Gorge is that famous sandwich. I think it's like a famous Cheddar Gorge toasty. And it's supposed to be really, really nice. So yeah, we'll bring you in then. Peace.
Yeah, it's crap like that.
Yeah.
Whoa, oh, Jesus Christ.
He'll stop.
Can't stop, guys.
Cheers. Ah, another car coming.
Whoa,
Fuck's sake. Car coming, Dad.
He's parked in the
I
road
just
now.
fucking go into the dip. Fuck's sake.
Dad.
He's done a yap.
Oh my god! What the fuck? Is that a giveaway? There's no signs and it's a giveaway. Fuck me.
Really? Is that a good thing?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it is! Oh, you're sorry!
Clear.
Okay, clear. Scarlet from the right.
The giveaway someone's missing. Mate, imagine if you would have seen or found there.
Yeah.
He's turning.
I was gonna send it. over
Our
here.
bastards will kill themselves.
Oh, there's a mammoth. Mammoth. Right.
You're having a laugh in the back of the van.
We need to find.
Yeah, what's the sandwich shop?
Should be, I think, on the left, I believe.
Is that it? In the main calf?
No.
Not really no space to park, obviously.
Mate, we park anywhere, we're on bikes.
Oh, yeah, if you go further down a bit, there's a...
Hello? There is a massive car park.
Aston Martin.
There's one.
Yeah.
There it is. Left, Cafe Gorge.
Yeah.
Find somewhere to park.
Any reason why, Tim?
There is a massive car park down the road, but we'd have to walk back up to the cafe.
That's all right.
It's okay. Fine.
Let's have a look around. I'm sure we'll find somewhere to squeeze our bikes in, won't we?
Yeah. There's space near enough for the MTO7.
Oh, look at this.
Oh! Get another scream, that's good.
How many bikes?
Here we are. Down here, will we?
There's loads of bikes down there, I think.
So there is a big car park somewhere.
Ah, look at this. We can pull down here. Yeah.
Nice 1250.
This is the famous Gorge Cafe, which they sell the Cafe Club sandwich in. Yeah, so if you want to come here for a nice sandwich, this is where you've got to go. Cafe Gorge, they've got the famous cheddar sandwich in there. Can't wait to have it. We've ordered it already, just waiting for it to come. But yeah, very excited. So this is the famous Cheddar Gorge, Cafe Gorge sandwich. Called the club sandwich. Look, gorgeous. Welcome back. As you may already see, it's getting rather dark. We've been out today for nearly 10 hours. 10 hours in the next 23 minutes. And yeah, we've done Cheddar Gorge. It was alright. The location itself is amazing. The place is amazing. It's scenic. The hills are all around you, and the gorge, obviously itself, absolutely stunning. It's just too many people. Way too many people. There's nowhere to park. Funnily enough, I needed a toilet just to go for a piss, and there was queues everywhere, and I mean like fucking 10-15 people just queuing to go to the toilet. So if you're desperate, you can't even make a dash for the hills anywhere because there's just hundreds of people everywhere. And I'm not moaning about it really, just stating facts, because you can't moan at something that's an attraction to people and people come to see. So to moan about something like that would be rather silly. Go into a place where you know that people will go to, like an attraction type thing, and then moaning about people actually being there. You can't do that. So yeah, but it's nice overall. The little twisty road, like I said, had people not been there, well, not people necessarily, but just so many people, it would have made for a much more enjoyable ride. But like I said, you can't moan about stuff like that when you fully well know what you're getting into when you go into places like this. But it was nice to do it on a motorbike, to be honest. We've been there in a car a couple of times. We've done the caves. And in case you didn't know, or somebody, whoever might be potentially watching this, they have actually 2 caves you can go and visit and have a look at. And they both take, I think, if I remember correctly, it was a half an hour or something. It's not necessarily a guided tour, if I remember correctly. You just sort of go in and just make your way around. And I think there was some people you could stop and speak to at the caves themselves. The Cheddar Gorge, or shall I say Cafe Gorge Club Toasty, which is the speciality that everybody orders, was absolutely banging. I almost wish there was more. And I got one hell of an appetite anyway. Some people say that they order the whole thing and eat half. How the hell can you only eat half of a sandwich? I've never done that in my life. I think I could have done it with another one, if I'm being honest. It was that nice. But yeah. So now we're back home pretty much at this point, and we're going out tomorrow as well. We're only doing North Wales. We're going down to, funnily enough, the old stores. We haven't been there for a little while, so a fair few of us is getting together, and we're popping down to the old stores for a little breakfast, I'd say. So yeah, stay tuned if you like this kind of content, and if you enjoyed watching this video. The next upload will be likely of the old stores. And probably touch up on the subject really quickly while I'm still riding home. It's still lovely. Look at the sunset. The sun's setting so nice. I'm glad that it's not in front of us, because that would be blinding. It's actually very bright. Yeah, so we're doing obviously the North Coast 500 trip in June, and we're staying over for 6 days. So I thought I'd touch up on that. It's something for us to look forward to as a group. I think there's 6 of us in total on bikes, and 2 pillions, which will be Becky, my missus, will be coming on a pilly. On a pilly! And one of the lads, Josiah Charlotte, his girlfriend's coming on a pilly as well. So it should be interesting. We're all booked up. We've booked our accommodations already. You've got to book well in advance, because they sell out quite quick. We've booked, we're going in June, sort of midway through June, and we booked, I think we were all squared away about 3 months ago with the plan. Just plan the route, plan the way you want to go, and at the end of each day what you've planned, try and find a location to stay at, is how we did it. And we're going to be doing it clockwise. I know that some people do it anti-clockwise. They start in Inverness and then sort of make their way north, but we won't be doing that. We're going to be doing anti-clockwise instead. He fucking parked like a bit of a donut, didn't he? Donut. The GS. Power of the GS, man. So yeah, I'll be making uploads of that eventually. Documenting the whole journey and the places we're going to see and stuff, so yeah. Something to look forward to, I suppose. So we've never been to Scotland, so this will be very, very nice indeed. Something to look back on as well if you make videos, because that's the whole purpose really of these videos I make. Sometimes it's nice to just chat shit to the camera, but at the end of the day, if somebody clicks on this video and watches it and likes it, you know, give it a thumbs up, maybe consider subscribing, and